Welcome to Mac Terminal Commands. In this lesson, you'll learn the difference between MV and CP, two essential commands for moving and copying files. The MV command moves a file from one location to another. After moving, the original file no longer exists. It's been relocated to the new destination. The CP command copies a file, creating a duplicate. Unlike MV, the original file remains in place. You now have two identical copies of the file. Use MV when you want to rename or relocate a file. Use CP when you need a backup or duplicate. Remember, MV deletes the original, CP keeps it. Excellent. You now understand the difference between moving and copying files. Practice these commands to become more efficient in the terminal.